you just want to make some simple color and brightness adjustments for your photo, then first make sure that your image is not locked and select it. Now go to Image and then Adjustments and choose Levels. In the input field you can move the 3 points. The one in the center can be moved as you want. With the ones on the side, make sure that you stop where the graph starts to rise. Now click on OK. Afterwards, go again to Image, then Adjustments, but this time click on Hue and Saturation. On the master, you can change the general saturation of your image, but you can also choose some specific color to only edit them. Hopefully this helps, and if you need additional information or tips and tricks, then check the description below. Good luck!